All right, day 14 warm-ups. First, number 1 is addition, number 2 subtraction, number 3 is multiplication, number 4 is exponents. 5 you're rounding, 6 you're rounding, 7 is you're simplifying, and just realized on my screen here, probably should look at that again. All right, and then number 8 is perimeter. So Halloween candy for number 7, which I'll probably have to fix here in a second. Okay, so let's start over here with number 1. 5 plus 4. 9. 2 plus 1. And 2 plus nothing. Okay, so number 1 is 239. Wait until we get there. Number 2, you always start in the upper right-hand corner on subtraction. You do not want to start at the bottom and subtract the top. It doesn't work that way. 0 minus 8, can you do? No, so you're going to borrow and make this 11 and makes this 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, very good. 1 minus 9, cannot do that, and so that is going to be a 0, and this is going to become an 11. 11 minus 9 is 2, and 0 minus nothing, and 3 minus nothing. Good. 9 times 5? All right, how about 4 squared? 2 4s, very good. Both of you work together on that. 2 4s, you multiply, and you get 16. You do not get 8. All right, every number has a decimal, so if we have a decimal in number 5, now we know we have to round to the nearest 10,000. So 6 is in the ones, 8 tens, 9 is in the hundreds, 8 is in the thousands, 5 is in the 10,000s. I draw my arrow to the 8, and if the neighbor is a 0 through 4, you are going to keep the underlying number. And if it's a 5 through 9, the underlying number you are going to add 1 to. So what are we doing to the 5? Adding 1 or keeping? Good work. Adding 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. All numbers after? Good job, Mason. That's not a decimal. That's supposed to be a comma. There we go. And then all numbers before? Stay the same. That's important as well. All right, so 457,258,986 rounds to 457,260,000. Every number in number 6 has a decimal, but you're rounding here to the nearest 100,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. So it should be this 2. You are then pointing to the 3. The neighbor's a 3. So what are you going to do to the 2? Keep it or plus 1? Keep it. All numbers after. And all numbers before? Very good. We got some pros in here now. Very good. All right, so I know I can add this or combine. Yes, question? That's it? That's all the problem is? So I need to fix this? 6z minus 6z, which is 0. 0, just 0. All right, thank you for fixing that. So 0 is your answer for number 7. 6z minus 6z is 0. You don't even need to put a 0 there. And as you probably heard in class that, if you're only given one side, that means all the other sides should be the same. Now, on my screen up here, it looks pretty good, but I noticed on some of your screens, it looks a little bit narrower. And so I apologize for that, but just keep in mind that when you do see the same or only one given digit or measurement, that all the other sides have the same measurement. So how many sides do we have? 8? 3 of them. So 8 times 3 is 24, or 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24 millimeters. Okay? Those are your warm-ups. If you haven't submitted, submit your answers now.